This is it. We're going sailing. I'm at the wheel, Kira's at the anchor, Laurent is also at the anchor. Alright, the anchor is up. Was a bit of a maneuver. It's a heavy anchor, so we need to kind of loosen it with the engine, and then it got stuck the wrong way around, but now it's all good. And we're heading out there. Free, like the wind. Nice. Next, the sails. Beautiful! Alright, we have set the sails. And we'll switch off the engine to neutral. We are sailing.
Whoop, whoop. For how long have we waited for that day? Now it's here, which is amazing. Absolutely stunning.
Beautiful.
Made it.
We have made a floating boat. How crazy is this?
Well, floating,
A sailing boat.
yeah.
Even.
Can you hear it? Yeah, me neither. The engine is off. We're sailing for the first time in more than a year with this boat, that is. We have 8 knots of wind and we have a second reef in the main and just a jib out. Because tranquilo, just keep things quiet and calm, and we're gonna progressively add more sail until we feel uncomfortable. But right now, this is brilliant.
And we do a whopping 2.5 knots.
Hey, we're moving.
Yeah.
I mean, they're not trimmed. I think they're not, the halyards aren't tight enough. They're not trimmed. We're on the wrong course. We have little wind, we're heavy.
That's
Hey,
good.
we're moving, everything's good. I'm happy. That big boat, how does it feel?
Pretty amazing. It was a dream for so long. We've been working for so long, always saying like one day we'll be sailing. And now it's today. And it feels a bit surreal, but really, really nice.
I agree. It's the culmination of work. It feels fantastic. Even though we're just doing a little day sail just out of Mogan, just to get our feet wet, but it's good. It feels great. This is what we worked for. Righty-o! First check. Managed beautifully and added the Genoa, so now we have loads of sail up. I'm still second reefed in the main, so not super fast, but this is pretty good. This is princess sailing. Beautiful weather, not too much wind, so perfect for us. Awesome. Stoked. Finally we're sailing. Couldn't resist. We have full sail up, full main, full Genoa, full jib. That is pretty much our full sails. We have a tiny blister, but that one we don't unpack. And we're going 5.5 knots, which is alright for 11 knots apparent. So 5.5 knots, about half wind speed, is pretty decent, I think. for us, and Kira will show you how it looks on the outside.
Amazing it looks. And there in the back you see Mogan. And we're soon not home anymore. Yes, it feels amazing.
All right, get ready to jibe.
Hold on, let me get on my gloves, my jiving gloves.
Get on your jiving gloves and jiving jackets and jiving faces.
Alright, jive me out, baby.
Jive, jive, baby. All right, get ready.
Ready.
You are ready. All right, and let's jibe. And out we go.
Wow.
All right, turn. Nice. Okay, sail over. Yeah. Nice. This wheel is also a workout. Is it tight enough? A bit tight would be nice. Yeah, so then we have a winch. Yeah.
We may be ready for taking sails in actually. So
Yeah, we
if
should
you wanna go
head into.
before.
Yeah. Well, are we? Yeah, we're also in a good position. All right, then I think it's time to switch on the engine. Go home. Short sail out only. We have made 5 nautical miles exactly. Something. All right. So we're gonna start the engine, take down the sails, and anchor, and see you later. A bit more to port. Well, it's not the most beautiful stack I've ever made, but I really appreciate how easy that sail came down. That was really smooth. And now, the next trick I'm doing is I can sit on our roof, because below me is Kira now, but I can sit up here and work on the mainsail. So this was really great that we did that. That was really 100% a good idea to have a hard dodger where I can stand and sit and work on. This would be a lot harder otherwise. Sail down, tied up, heading back to anchor. Successful first day. I really appreciate that. Oh yeah. This is the life. Awesome. That's it. Anchoring. Call it a day. Righty, oh, we are at anchor. We forgot to film it. Sorry about that. But anchoring is still always a bit exciting, because you need to get it right for a good night's sleep. But I think we did it well. We know that the ground here is all sand and holds well. and we have a very trustworthy Montus M1, really heavy one too, that is somewhere down there now, so I think we're good. And I think this is a pretty successful day, having sailed for the first time with this boat since the refit. This feels actually pretty good. Yeah, I like it. So we're calling it a day here. We'll have our anchor beer, our alcohol-free anchor beer, and maybe then we'll do a little bit of work, maybe not, we'll see. Tomorrow we go sailing again, because now finally this is a sailing channel. Well, it's a sailing and refitting channel because we're not done, not by far, but at least we now can add some sailing to the mix, which is brilliant and long overdue. Love it, absolutely stoked.